Hello everyone, and welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we are going to discuss exactly how to start a business legally in the United States, step by step. Whether you're a US citizen, a permanent resident, or an international entrepreneur looking to enter the American market, this guide will walk you through the entire process. By the end of this video, you'll understand how to choose the right business structure, register your company, obtain tax identification numbers, open a business bank account, comply with legal requirements, and launch your business the right way. So, let's get started. Step 1. Choose the right business idea. Every successful business begins with a great idea. Before filing paperwork or investing money, you need to identify what type of business you want to start. This could be an e-commerce store, consulting agency, software company, digital marketing agency, restaurant, real estate business, or any other venture. When selecting a business idea, consider 3 key factors: market demand, competition, profitability. The best businesses solve real problems for real customers. Step 2. Create a business plan. Many entrepreneurs skip this step and regret it later. A business plan acts as your roadmap and helps you stay focused on your goals. It should include business description, target market, products or services, marketing strategy, revenue model, startup costs, financial projections. A solid business plan is also essential if you plan to seek investors or apply for business financing. Step 3. Choose your business structure. One of the most important legal decisions you'll make is choosing your business structure. The most common business structures in the United States include sole proprietorship. This is the simplest business structure. The owner and the business are considered the same legal entity. While it's easy to set up, it does not provide personal liability protection. Partnership. A partnership is suitable when 2 or more people own and operate the business together. Limited liability company, LLC. An LLC is one of the most popular choices for small business owners. It provides liability protection, meaning your personal assets are generally protected from business debts and lawsuits. Corporation. Corporations are ideal for larger businesses and startups seeking outside investment. Common types include C Corporation, C Corp, S Corporation, S Corp. Many venture-backed startups choose the C Corp structure because it is attractive to investors. Step 4. Choose the state for registration. Business laws vary from state to state. Popular states for business registration include Delaware, Wyoming, Nevada, Texas, Florida. Delaware is particularly popular because of its business-friendly corporate laws. Wyoming is known for low fees and strong privacy protections. Choose the state that best fits your business goals and operating location. Step 5. Register your business name. Your business name becomes part of your brand identity. Before registering, make sure the name is available in your state's database. The website domain is available. No existing trademarks conflict with your chosen name. A strong and memorable business name can significantly impact your long-term success. Step 6. File formation documents. Now it's time to officially form your business. For an LLC, you'll file articles of organization. For a corporation, you'll file articles of incorporation. These documents are submitted to the Secretary of State in the state where you're registering your business. Once approved, your company officially exists as a legal entity. Step 7. Appoint a registered agent. Most states require LLCs and corporations to have a registered agent. A registered agent receives legal notices, government correspondence, and official documents on behalf of the business. The agent must have a physical address in the state where the business is registered. Step 8. Obtain an EIN. EIN stands for Employer Identification Number. This number is issued by the IRS and serves as your business's tax identification number. You'll need an EIN to open a business bank account, hire employees, file taxes, build business credit. Think of it as the business equivalent of a social security number. Step 9. Open a business bank account. Keeping personal and business finances separate is essential. A business bank account helps maintain professionalism, simplify accounting, manage taxes efficiently, protect liability status. Most banks will require EIN, formation documents, government-issued identification, operating agreement, if applicable. Step 10. Create an operating agreement. If you're forming an LLC, creating an operating agreement is highly recommended. This document outlines ownership percentages, management responsibilities, voting rights, profit distribution, dispute resolution procedures. It helps prevent future misunderstandings among owners. Step 11. Obtain necessary licenses and permits. Depending on your industry, you may need specific licenses and permits. Examples include business licenses, sales tax permits, food service permits, professional licenses, health permits. Always check federal, state, and local requirements. Step 12. Understand your tax obligations. Every business owner must understand tax responsibilities. Common business taxes include federal income tax, state income tax, sales tax, payroll tax, self-employment tax. Working with a CPA or tax professional can help you avoid costly mistakes. Step 13. Get business insurance. Insurance protects your business from unexpected risks. Common types include general liability insurance, professional liability insurance, workers' compensation insurance, commercial property insurance, cyber liability insurance. Insurance is not just an expense, it's protection for your future. Step 14. Build your brand and online presence. In today's digital world, an online presence is essential. Create a professional website, business email address, LinkedIn profile, Google business profile, social media pages. A strong online presence builds trust and attracts customers. Step 15. Launch and market your business. Once everything is legally established, it's time to find customers. Effective marketing methods include search engine optimization, SEO, Google Ads, social media advertising, content marketing, email marketing, networking events, referral programs. Remember, even the best business idea cannot succeed without customers. Conclusion. To summarize, the process of legally starting a business in the United States involves 1. Choosing a business idea. 2. Creating a business plan. 3. Selecting a business structure. 4. Choosing a registration state. 5. Registering a business name. 6. Filing formation documents. 7. Appointing a registered agent. 8. Obtaining an EIN. 9. Opening a business bank account. 10. Creating an operating agreement. 11. Securing licenses and permits. 12. Understanding taxes. 13. Getting insurance. 14. Building your brand. 15. Marketing your business. If you follow these steps carefully, you'll be well on your way to building a legally compliant and successful business in the United States. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it with others who want to start a business in America. See you in the next video.